I will explain about the Rxjs observable concept now. So Rxjs is a reactive extension for JavaScript library. So we can handle asynchronous operations by using observables. So here Rxjs is a reactive extension. So dynamically we can change, and we can change by using event handlers and HTTP requests, and real-time data can be uh, done by using this reactive extension Rxjs. Here observable is a data operations for asynchronous data. So observables are used to handle uh, packets of data can be read from the server by using API request. So here we can get the data over the period of time. So that is an advantage here. Observables are used to subscribe, and we can use observer to handle all the operations in the observables. Here, observed is a object with callback functions which can be used to interactions done by the observables only. And this can be used to design three types: creative observable, and subscribe observable, and execute observable, and unsubscribe observable. So these observables can be divided into two types. um, Divided into two. These are the observables create method and observable function method. So I will explain observable create method and constructor functions here. So for example, I have taken constant with the observable name here, new observable. So this is a one-way method. This method having constructor. In the constructor, we have to provide observable, which is a provider, which is an object of callback functions. We can provide an observer here. In the observer, we need to give observable next method. So observable next method is used to emit the values. So we can emit a value like hello, and some other value like a girl. So we can easily get it this by using this. So when we completed this, we can give observable observer complete method. So it will indicate the observable is completed. So here we are seeing observable is not defined. Why? Because we need to subscribe that observable here. Observable dot subscribe. In the subscribe method, we can provide the object. So in this object, we can define next and error and complete methods. So this is the procedure to subscribe all these. So we have to provide in the curly braces here with this, and console log, console log. So we can provide the comma, and we can define an error. Um, so here error. In this error also we can provide a callback. We have to console dot err. So I will provide err here. And after that I will provide um, complete method. For this, we don't require to give anything in the parasythesis. So I'm providing console log. Console log. This is an observably successful. Uh, Observably successful. So observably successful. So here we can see. Um, Still it is not observably is not defined. So we have a problem here. sorry, I'm providing. I will change this. So we need to import right here. So we have to provide import. Uh, observable we need to provide, which can be taken from the Rxjs. Rxjs. So you can see that output is coming. So this is a one of the method we are using this observables. This is a constructor method. Here we have another method like observable Rxjs. Then I have used um, observable dot create method. Create. So this is also will work. So you can see here these are the two methods we are working in the observable.